Good morning, everyone. My name is Prashant. First of all, I will express my gratitude towards Nikhil Institute for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I take this opportunity I would like to speak about an incident when I changed someone's life, when my words changed someone's life. Words, a simple combination of alphabets that has some meaning. It can change your life. It can change and destroy your life. One such incident happened with me. That day I realized how word can change your life. After completing my class 12, I was going back to my home after a 2 years break, and it was wonderful feeling. I was going to be there for 2 weeks. I had planned everything, what I will do, what I will eat, how I will spend my days. My routine was morning 7 o'clock, I will wake up, I will go and play cricket, football, anything. I will not come back till 1 o'clock. After coming from 1 o'clock, I will get scolded by my mother for not eating lunch and for not having and for not bathing. After that, I will just go and take bath, have my lunch, call my friend. He will come. I will sit on the bike. We will go somewhere. We will go in Rajasthan, Kota, Madhapur, Ranthambore, anywhere. We will not come back till 9 o'clock. After coming back from anywhere, I will just go and sleep. Next day, the same routine works. But I also got a habit for a evening walk. At evening 6:30, I will go for a walk every day. One day, I went for a walk. And I always go to new gullies or new colonies each and every day to experience new things, which I have not, to check whether I have not forgotten or whether I remembered everything. One day I went to a gully where my friend's house was there. I just remembered it was his house. I just went there, it was locked, and he was the topper. I just wanted to meet him, okay, what he is doing. He was not there when I moved along the gully, and I just went to my destination and was coming back. But by the same route, I met him, I see him on the road. He was standing and taking cigarette, smoking cigarette. And I was like shocked by seeing this, what he was doing. Like he was not the same guy anymore. I just went to him and talked to him. He did not remember me because I was changed. I just told him, I'm Prashant, and he just hugged me. Like, hey Prashant, where are you? From past 2 years. We never got your number. You never tried to talk to us anytime. You're not in contact with anyone. I just told him what I was doing and how I have got selected in JEE, I got a college, and how I've studied. After that, I asked him that what he is doing. He just said, I dropped my studies. I asked him why. Then suddenly he just said, not an issue, I just dropped it. And the appearance which he was having, he was having earrings and he was wearing so many bands, and it was not the same thing which he used to do. And he was a topper, and I was not even the topper, I was the average guy. And I just told him, let's go and have a tea. We just went back to the tea stall and have a tea. And every friend's group have a place where they sit. We also had a place. We had a bridge over the river where we will sit, see the sunset, and we will enjoy our life. We went to that place. We just sat there and we started to talk about our life, how our life is going on, what we are planning. I just told him about everything, how I will do my studies, how I am going to complete it, and why is going on in my life. Suddenly, I asked him why he is not studying. And why, he was a topper, and he was one of the best guy from our school. And we just talked about it. He just told me that something wrong has gone with his company. He changed the school after I have left, and then he went to a government school. Then he met some students and made some friends. They used to do drugs. He started to do drugs. He started to rob, and he started to do anything he can do for drugs. He started to rob from his father's pocket and everything. We just talked for half an hour about that, what is going on and how he can overcome it. But at last I asked him, what do you want from your life? He just said power. And how I wanted to be a don. I want to be a gangster. I want everyone to be respect me. I want everyone to be below me. I just told that is a illegal power. If I give you legal power, what you will do? I will do whatever I want. I just showed him the path by UPSC. Take the legal power, do whatever you want. But doing UPSC needs a greater mind, good mind, not that shallow-minded people. So by doing this, by preparing for ISC, study was like meditation for him. He overcame everything. He came out from the drugs and everything. After 2 years, his father came to my house and he was asking my my number. My mother did not give because my mother did not give my number to anyone. And then his father just insisted my mother to give my number, and he did not told me why he wanted. My mother gave me my number. After 2 days, I received the call from unknown number. And as all of you know, nobody can call me without informing me, without giving me a message. Every number is blocked on my mobile. I see 4 or 5 missed calls. Yes, I thought some urgency will be there. That's why someone's calling me 5 times. I just called him back. He was happy. He just told me, I am that person. I am your friend. Was topper. He just recalled everything to me. And he just said me, thank you Prashant for everything. Then I asked him, oh, everything? I have not done anything. And then he just told me that he has cracked pre-mains of UPSC. And now today he has given an interview of UPSC. And it was very well. He has sent sweets to my house. And even I don't know about it. And at the last, he just said thank you. And he gave me his number. And told me, call me anytime, anything for you want. I had his number, but due to I was dancing in rain one day, my mobile got wet and everything got very erased from my mobile. That was the time I realized and how my words can change someone's life, how words can destroy your life, how words can make your life. So I will like to tell you everything. Everyone, please speak positive words. Don't try to be negative. It can affect you. It will affect your mind. It will affect your subconscious mind. And by unknowingly, you will go in that direction. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.